Yeah, I'm not going to make a judgment call on the engine, but I'll tell you what, without a better look, got folks working on it. But this definitely, it's got your Chev orange. It's a 59. Definitely nice. Oh, it is a proper 3-pedal car too. I don't know if you can see that. All right, this is a real car. I mean, somehow he's kept this clutch, and this is a real car. I know you don't see manuals very often, but here you go. Here you go. It is really hard to appreciate these lines. Really hard. You got everything. I mean, I guess it's a 409 car or whatever they had back then. It's convertible, red on red. You don't see a tail like that often. The tilt spare. I mean, what a gorgeous treat. This was just me stumbling across this driving home. I'll give you one more shot of the interior. Just because it is a manual car, you don't see it very often.
Steering, power brakes, factory AC.
Factory AC, you don't see it ever.
$400+ option in 1959.
So what motor is it? What cubic inch?
It's a 348 tri-power.
348 tri-power, folks. It's
320 horsepower.
pretty rare car right here. You heard it from the man himself.